Welcome. So today we're gonna do an imploding soda can. So Bobby here is gonna explain how it works.
While Mark is going to do the actual experiment. So I'm just going to tilt the camera here a little bit so you can see what's going on. Okay, so what we have here is we have soda cans, iced tea and soda cans, filled very little bit of water on just enough to coat the bottom of the can. And as you can see now, the water's been brought to a boil on an electric stove. So what we're going to do, how we're going to make these cans implode, sort of like crush itself without any sort of like external force, like crushing it with your own hands. We're going to Mark here, safety first of course, he's going to use the towel to grab the hot can. And then what we have here is sort of a cold water bath. And then what's going to happen when he takes the can and inverts it into the cold water is the can's going to crush itself, as you're about to see now. So my colleague here will demonstrate the experiment using only the finest safety equipment. And as he submerges the can upside down into the water, it crushed itself. The science and the reasoning behind that is, if you've ever taken a chemistry course, you might be familiar with the ideal gas law. PV equals pressure times the volume equals the amount of vapor in the can equals is proportional to the temperature as well. So as you suddenly decrease the temperature, it makes the hot water vapor condense, because pressure is also dropping, and the pressure will condense on the can, therefore crushing it. So we're going to do it 2 more times just to demonstrate again how we do it. And again, this is because of the ideal gas law. Nope. Okay, that one didn't work. Maybe there was too much water in there. Maybe it wasn't brought to a boil. I don't know, that one didn't work. That's why we have more than one. Now we're going to do it with an Arizona iced tea can. It's a bigger can.
No.
And that one didn't work either. But the first one worked, and the test one we did before this worked as well. We have 2 here. This is the one that we did on camera, and that's the one we did before. That worked. So that's our experiment of the imploding soda can. Thank you for listening.
Ta-da!